back to AmourologyEd, where we talk about sex and alternative lifestyle education. I am Krista, this is Nugget, we are your hosts, and I'm still on hiatus, but I wanted to jump on and give a very, very special announcement. Guess what? It's my birthday today! Yay! I'm so excited! I'm turning 30, and I'm very excited to continue the rest of my life with all of you people because I love it. So thank you so much.
Happy birthday!
Okay, that's not actually the only reason I got online for a minute. I have a very special thank you to give to somebody. Ashley Robertson. She donated $150 to Amourology to help fund my traveling to Southwest Love Fest in April for the conference to put on a presentation. I'm doing my Fool's Rush in, and this has completely made it possible for me to travel. And since the conference was not able to provide funds more than just a gift ticket, which I totally get, especially since a lot of their funds were going to people of color and marginalized people and people that really needed it. Ashley, thank you so, so much for your contribution and your support. It really does mean the world to me that you believe in what I'm doing. And for those of you that don't know Ashley, I first met her in Columbus at a conference as well. And she does sex education, and I went to one of her classes and it was amazing. So if you don't know anything about her, you should check her out. I did invite her to be part of my group. She wasn't before. That's weird, right? So I will hopefully be able to tag her in this as part of my group. If not, I will definitely tag her in it as my friend on Facebook if you're one of my friends. If not, then just send out your blessings because this is a really amazing gift and contribution. Thank you so much. Oh, and you can expect a little something from me in the mail as a thank you. So just look for a card. You might have some stickers in there, all that sort of fun stuff. If you would like to make a one-time donation, feel free. It does help go towards putting on events here in Salt Lake City. It goes towards putting on events and conventions and conferences all throughout the country. If you would like me to come to your state or your city, let me know. I'm totally open to that. I have traveled before for various different communities. So please, please, please let me know. And I'm really excited about where we're going from here. Oh, and if you would like to make that one-time contribution, let me tell you where you can do it. You can go to, I will post to my Venmo down there. It's just at Krista Niederjohn. But you can also just go to Patreon at AmourologyEd. You can make a one-time donation, or you can sign up for a pledge as little as $1 a month. And that just lets me know that you're listening and you appreciate it. So if this has helped you and you like what you see, consider saying thank you, and I will continue making awesome stuff for you. So thanks. Okay, my other big surprise for this announcement is happy birthday to me. I have new stickers. Yay! Merchandise. I just wanted to showcase some of the stuff that I've been working on over the last couple weeks. So these are not up and running on my website yet. I apologize. It takes for freaking ever to get things uploaded, but they are up and running on Etsy at AmourologyEd, same as everywhere else. You can find my merchandise there, same prices on my website, and yeah, it's super fun. Oh, and if you use the code BIRTHDAY, you get 20% off. 20% off. Woo! So exciting. So let me show you what I have here. I have CONSENT. Find out what it means to me. Oh, sorry, Nugget. They're fine. I have consenting adult. If you're a consenting adult. I have a St. Andrew's cross. I have good vibes. A little subtlety in there. I have powered by orgasm. And last but not least, I support trans rights. Yay, new stickers. These are all black. You'll note it was easier for me to print out black ones just to showcase. They do come in all of the same colors that all of mine come in, including like faux glitter looking stuff. It doesn't have real glitter because that's terrible for the environment, but it looks like glitter, or holographic or iridescent or various different straight colors, whatever you want to do. Sky's the limit. You tell me. So if you're interested in any of these, please visit my Etsy site that I will link to in the notes at AmourologyEd. And stay tuned in the next couple weeks, and I will be back from my hiatus. Thank you. Somehow I forgot one of the stickers. Maybe I should put it the correct way. The cute little polyamorous sticker. Yay! Last but not least. Sorry.